Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are going to learn one of the most important basics of German grammar, personal pronouns in German. And trust me, if you understand this topic well, you will already be able to form simple German sentences on your own. So let's begin. Personal pronouns are small words that replace a person or a thing in a sentence. Instead of repeating a name again and again, we simply use a pronoun. So remember, personal pronouns helps us speak smoothly and naturally. So, what's the importance of them? Simple. In German, pronouns are used in almost every sentence. Verbs change according to the pronoun, and daily communication depends heavily on them. So, if you know pronouns, you are already halfway into learning German grammar. Let's now look at subject personal pronouns. These are used when the person is doing the action. Listen carefully. For I, it is ish. For informal and singular you, it is du. For he, she, it is er, sie, es respectively. For we, it is wir. For informal and plural you, it is ihr. And for formal and singular or plural you, it is sie with a capital S. A very important point here. The word sie has two meanings. It can mean she or they. And sie with a capital S means formal you. Please remember this. Capital letters matter a lot in German. Now let's see how to use these pronouns in sentences. In German, the structure is very simple. Pronoun plus verb plus rest of the sentence. For instance, ich bin froh, meaning I am happy. Du bist freundlich means you are friendly. And er ist hier, it means he is here. So always remember, the pronoun comes before the verb. Now this part is very important. In German, verbs change according to the pronoun. Let's take the verb lernen, meaning to learn. Ich lerne, du lernst, sie, es lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen. This is why pronouns are not optional in German. They directly affect the verb. Let's now understand when to use which pronoun. First, ich. We use ich when talking about ourselves. For example, ich bin Student. Next is du. Du is informal. We use du with friends, family, children, classmates. For example, du bist sehr nett. Now comes sie with a capital S, the formal you. We use sie with strangers, elders, teachers, officials, and professional settings. For instance, Sie sind Lehrer. Germans take sie versus du very seriously. Now here is something very special about German. Pronouns depend on the gender of the noun, not the person. For instance, der Mann becomes er, die Frau becomes sie, das Kind becomes is. Yes, even a child can be referred to as es because kind is a neutral noun. This may sound strange at first, but it's completely normal in German. Let's clear a very common confusion. Sie, lowercase, means they. Sie, with a capital S, means formal you. Look at these examples. Sie kommen aus Deutschland. You come from Germany, formal. And Sie kommen aus Deutschland. They come from Germany. Same pronunciation, different meaning and different writing. Let's quickly look at common mistakes beginners make. Mixing Z and Z. Forgetting to change the verb. Using do in formal situations. Translating sentences word by word from English. Don't worry, these mistakes are part of learning. Now let's do a small practice. Try it yourself and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. So, with this, we learn personal pronouns in German. What they are, how to use them, and when to use them. If you master this topic, you have already taken a strong first step in learning German. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and German will slowly start making sense. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Before that, do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more language learning lessons. Goodbye.